The critical role of measurements and vectors in marine biology research. Marine biology, the study of life in the ocean and other marine or saltwater environments, relies heavily on precise measurements and understanding vectors. These elements are crucial for understanding the behavior, distribution, and health of marine organisms and their ecosystems. Accurate measurement and vector analysis help researchers track movements, assess environmental impacts, and predict future changes in marine habitats. In marine biology, measurements are essential for monitoring various aspects such as water temperature, salinity, and concentration of nutrients. These data are collected using specialized instruments like thermometers, salinometers, and spectrophotometers. Accurate measurements are vital as they provide the baseline data needed to study the effects of climate change, pollution, and other environmental factors on marine life. Despite the advancement in measurement technology, errors are inevitable. This can arise from instrument inaccuracies, human mistakes, or environmental interferences. Researchers must account for these errors through calibration of equipment, repeated measurements, and statistical analysis to ensure the reliability of their data. Minimizing errors is crucial for making valid scientific conclusions and for effective management of marine resources. Vectors are used in marine biology to describe quantities that have both magnitude and directions, such as water currents and movement of marine organisms. Vectors addition is a mathematical technique used to combine these vectors, helping researchers understand complex patterns of movement and distribution. For example, by adding vectors of different ocean currents, scientists can predict the migration routes of marine species and the dispersion of pollutants. In conclusion, measurements and vectors analysis play a critical role in marine biology research. They provide a foundation for understanding and managing marine ecosystem. By ensuring accuracy in measurements and precision in vector calculations, research can better protect marine life and maintain the health of our ocean. These tools are indispensable in the face of increasing environmental challenges and are essential for a sustainable future of marine ecosystems.